Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my double barrel shotgun. Here it is. It's like a easy version. Okay. So yeah, first you want a full sheet of A4 paper like this, but this is a quarter size paper. You can have a regular A4 paper as well. And you want a long strip of paper like this. So you want to fold it in fourth like this. So you can also have like 4 shotguns as well. Okay. And get one of these. Okay, and now you want to fold it in half like so. Then you want to fold it again like this and have it like so, like this. Okay. Okay, and now you want to fold it in half. Okay. So I have the model like this. Okay, and now take the top layer and fold it in thirds. Okay, so this front portion should equal the same length as the back portion right here. So you kind of want to eyeball it, or you can measure it out if you want to be exact. So yeah, about there. Okay, then fold it back down. Okay, and now you want to fold this bottom edge right up to the top. Like so. And you want to do the same thing on the other side. So flip it over and bring the edge right up to the top. Okay, and now you see this corner right here. You want to fold those corners in. So you see that top edge, you want to fold that down to that center line, like a paper airplane, right? Okay, that corner as well. Then fold that down. And now this is gonna be the stock, of course. So start from this corner where the barrel is and fold that down. And then fold it in a slant like this. Okay, could be long or short. I usually like it slanted long like this. Okay, and now you want to fold this up like this and leave about around, yeah, this much space right there. And then fold this down to make the rest of the stock. Okay. And bring the back edge down. Okay. So this is the back edge. bring it down just a little bit to shape out the stock. And you see that corner, just hide it in the stock. Okay, so fold that corner in. And you see that pistol grip kind of curve out the front of it. Like so. And now you can roll out the barrel, or you can leave it as it is. So you see that center line? Fold it right up to this top edge right there. This is going to take some time. And bring this outside edge down to the center line. Okay. You might want to use maybe like a toothpicks or something to help roll this out. Okay. And also roll out the other side as well. So yeah, here is my double barrel shotgun. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.